Well, this is a great day for Northeastern Pennsylvania. People have been working on this for decades. We've not had this service since 1970. All of this really comes about because of the community support, people understanding that this could move the region forward.
Well, today is the celebration of the FRA's announcement of the inclusion of the Scranton to New York train. Thankfully, because of the federal transportation bill that was supported by Congressman Cartwright and Senator Casey, in the near future, we'll have passenger rail service Scranton to Monroe County to New York City. How great is that?
A transportation infrastructure connection is only going to grow jobs, business, the community, recreation. It's a great day for Scranton.
It's unbelievable. It's a once-in-a-generation investment. It's great for the area to actually reconnect us back to the city.
It would be great for people to have the opportunity to travel.
When we started off doing this 40 years ago, these rail lines were actually being ripped up by the private railroads. So we stepped in to save them because we knew at some point in the future things would turn around. Amtrak has already estimated that our corridor, Scranton to New York City, will generate $84 million in economic development activity per year.
But only Matt Cartwright is the one to get it done, and I'm so proud of him because he has stuck with it since I was the mayor of Stroudsburg Borough, and I'm just so glad to see it come to fruition.
It's going to be great for tourism, property values, quality of life. It's going to be tremendous all around.
We have a lot of New Yorkers who've come to make the Poconos our home, and the return of this train after 40 years will be a wonderful connection. We're just so excited about it.
And it really is the missing piece. It allows us to continue to create opportunities both for our residents to go to New York, but also for people to come here and see the great things we have.
The investment that's coming back to our area will bring in millions more tourists, and we're already hosting 30 million tourists a year in the Pocono Mountains.
Our train is coming from New York to Scranton, and we want to say, everybody get all aboard.
It's an excellent, exciting thing that we get to celebrate about people that will be able to take this train into New York. Young families, kids, the shows, just be able to, jobs. I can't go on enough about this.
East Stroudsburg is ready, willing, and able to have our station set up. We're excited. It's a big step forward.
Finally, the train is coming. It's been a talk of the town for many years now. The residents and business owners of Stroudsburg are excited for the opportunity to visit New York City very easily and vice versa.
And bringing the train to Scranton, Pennsylvania is a huge improvement.
This means a lot for our Northeast community. It means for tourism, it means for our universities, it means for commuters back and forth. It's exciting, and it is needed for economics in Pennsylvania.
The train is coming. We've talked about it for decades, and we're within a few years going to be able to get on a train, which is, as we know, very effective and convenient and highway and environmentally friendly way to travel.
Finally, it's here. Scranton is more ready than ever to take on new, exciting things, have businesses come and start here, have entrepreneurs base here, have new families come and start their lives here in Scranton. All aboard!